G'day, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. These pieces over here are basically thrown in. The rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. A couple of these are quite nice. I'll zoom in a bit closer so you get a better look. Basically on the surface there, it's quite pretty little pattern. Some reasonably hard material. Maybe cut it into 2 pieces. Or you could just leave it as a big pendant. It's basically what you see is, I think, what you need to just polish up now. Colours over on that side. Blues. Just colour up that in. It disappears here. The rest are possibly might be able to grind a couple of them, but we're just throwing those in. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.